viewers. This is the introduction lecture to the electrical machines subject. We divide electrical machines into four parts: DC machines, synchronous machines, induction machines, transformers. Transformer is not a device, is not an electrical machine. It is a device. Okay, these three parts we can call them as a machines. Transformer is not a machine, we call it as a device. In the further lectures we come to know why transformer is called as a device. Okay, in the first part we are going to learn about the basics of these four parts. Okay, in the part 1 lecture we are going to learn the basics of the electrical machines subject of these four parts. Okay, in the first part, in the basics part, okay, first we are going to learn the types of induced EMFs. Okay, in the first lecture, basics lecture, we are going to learn about the types of induced EMF. There are three types of induced EMFs. First, dynamically induced EMF. Second, statically induced EMF. Third, rotational induced EMF. We already know that EMF is nothing but voltage. Okay, EMF is nothing but voltage. First we try to learn where the dynamically induced EMF we can observe in these four parts of the machine, where the statically induced EMF we can observe in these four parts of the machine, and rotational induced EMF where we can observe in these four parts of the machine. Let us know that. Okay, dynamically induced EMF we can observe in DC generator. Okay, DC motor and synchronous generator. Okay, dynamically induced EMF we can observe in these three machines, and statically induced EMF we can observe in transformer and stator part of the induction motor. Okay, stator part of the induction motor. Rotational induced EMF. Rotational induced EMF we can observe in rotor part of the induction motor and damper winding in synchronous machine. Okay, these three types of induced EMFs we can observe in these four parts of the machine. In the next lecture we are going to briefly describe about these induced EMF and types of induced EMF. Each part we can learn briefly. Okay, in the next lecture, basics lecture, we can learn